Hello guys, I'm back on my with another video with my Honda cb1000r. This is the 08 model. I'm just gonna show you roughly how I install this gear indicator. So first of all, I took the front panel off just to give me better access, and I made a little metal bracket to secure. Basically, I unscrew one of the screws from the ignition, and I just connected that bracket I made with a bit of metal just there, and then I used some velcro to stick the indicator switch to the bracket, and then just I did pass the cable through here. What I did next was undo these two bolts here on the tank and that one under there under the seat, so you can lift the tank up slightly, and then you run your cable through under there nice and tidy, and then you're gonna come over here where this cover is and you're gonna unclip it, and then behind you got this wire here, which is the one where you want to plug the cable into. Okay, so I'll show you. I haven't finished tidying up mine just yet. So that clips into there like so, and then the remaining cable is just zip tied and you hide it under there. And so as you can see, it's working now. And yeah, it's just a plug and play really. And then to set up the gears and that, you have to read your manual, because it varies from brand to brand, but I believe it's pretty much the same. Okay guys, thanks for watching.